Today, this video will explain, cut plywood of different thicknesses. The content of the video will be more detailed, and it is also very friendly to beginner. Check before production, 5 power connections. Before 0-point test, need install CH340 driver. Click Tool. Install CH340 driver. To install the driver, before the laser is connected, the buttons are gray. Don't worry. Click the link here. The button below will display the color, and it can be used. Before cutting, you need to scan the range and start 0 point. On clicking this small house, the machine will scan, and on the 0 point, it will show the end result. Open or drag the picture, set the picture parameters. There are 5 options for the conversion. It usually choose line-to-line tracking and 1-bit BW dithering as engraving mode. 1-bit BW dithering is more suitable for engraving grayscale graphics. If you are going to cut, please select the vectorize or centerline mode so it will cut along thin line. Select centerline here. The main reason for using the centerline is whether the original picture used is a line. The picture we are using now, when you zoom in, it not smooth, so if you use line to line, the cutting will be not clean. If you use looks like the same picture, you need to set the centerline. The speed is related to whether you want to cut or engrave. We are testing cutting now, so the speed is 110 mm per minute. If it is engraving, it needs to be set to more than 1000. The minimum S value is 999 and the maximum S value is 1000. Our material, the size is relatively small, so the size is set to 40. Click Framing Laser on to confirm the scope of the cut. The material to be cut must match the scanning range. I will testing one pass of cutting this time, so here is not need setting, and click the green button to start. Not bad. I think the speed can be adjusted to 340 mm per minute, and the burnt area will be less. If you have any better way, or have technical questions about the LE400 Pro, you can send email to service@kentoktool.net. See you next time.